you live from not the buck pen, but the truck.
Not W.O.E Farms.
Not W.O.E Farm, not at home. We're on the road traveling. Things come up. We've had a death in the family.
Yeah.
So
my grandpa passed away.
Grandpa passed away, and he's in Las Vegas. So we were planning a beach trip with
my dad's side of the family.
Her dad's side of the family that
My
we do
dad.
every year. So now we're heading back to Emerald Isle for a little vacationing day, birthday parties.
And then we're heading to...
And then tomorrow we'll fly out to Las Vegas for the funeral on Saturday, and then we're going to spend a few days in Las Vegas while we're there.
Buck pen got put on hold.
Again.
So we are...
Hey, life happens.
It does.
That's what we do. We roll with the punches, and sometimes with a windshield and sometimes with a bug.
And thankfully we have someone to watch our animals that's very responsible, and we really trust her. Now we're going to show you what our home life used to be like, where we used to vacation at.
All right, pan around so they can see.
And here we are. This is the Emerald Isle Bridge.
There are people out there on the party barge.
Okay, Brandon, you just drive.
Oh, we're going over the bridge.
This view is just always so beautiful.
What are they doing? They're pushing a little barge or something.
And back there to the right is Swansboro. That's where our home used to be.
Little town we lived in, Swansboro, right down the cove.
We miss it a lot, but we love our farm.
This is the sound side of the Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful. Now the town of Emerald Isle.
Alright, so this video may be a little bit different. We will try to highlight some of the things that we do and stuff, but
yeah, we're going to stay in a nice hotel in Vegas.
Yeah.
So we've never done that before. So
what are your thoughts, Wade? Are you excited? Yeah.
Country's coming to town.
Last time Wade went to Vegas, he was only 6 months old, so he's getting to experience it for really the first time. So,
so now he can play the slot machines.
No, he can't. We will keep you updated and show you some of our trip along the way. All right.
All right. Peace out.
We'll see you later.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Bye.
Bye.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Sierra. I'm from Las Vegas.
Yes, we are here in Las Vegas, and right now, what are we doing? Are we getting ready for dinner?
We're getting ready for dinner, but we're playing a little break of a game.
Yes, we're playing games. What have we done today?
We went swimming, we had our cousins come over, we had our friends, and we had dinner, food outside.
It was yummy food, huh?
We had burgers and hot dogs and napkins, and then we had
Salad?
pasta salad, cheese chips, and everything else.
Yes, it was super yummy. So we are having lots of fun here, visiting and swimming, and can I say anything else? Nope. Say bye.
It's gonna be on.
Say your name.
Hello, her name is Harley.
Harley. And how old are you, Harley? 4. Wow, you're so big. What have we been doing here?
I've been doing marketing. Yes. That camera, having fun with our friends and other people, and I like you.
Oh, you're so sweet. All right.
Bye, everybody. We love you.
This is the family.
We got my dad, we got Tammy, we got
Fail.
a puppy.
We've got
Can I
a
show you
lot
the
of
puppy?
people
There's a
here.
lot of
Yeah,
people
go show
here.
them the puppy.
I'll show you guys the puppy.
Careful.
Here's the puppy. Her name's Ella.
Know where to come during
No, her name is Ellie. Her name is Ellie. And she's in the kennel right now.
That's a pretty puppy, huh?
Yeah, she's big.
Yeah. Here, you can take it in video, whatever you want.
Anything. So we have a pool. We got a giant rock thingy we can jump. We got a tent. We got that. We got the whole crew. We got my beloved cousin. Her name's Harley, and she's 4 years old.
Hi.
Look here. Here you go. Say hi.
Hi.
Mom, look at yourself.
Oh my goodness.
This is for the
Is that neat? Yeah.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hello.
Look at yourself.
Are you kidding me?
Tammy, say hi.
Hi.
I hit the button when I put Mom's medicine in the last time. I was like, yo, what the heck, man? They have the door. What happened to the... What up, man? Uncle T in the house.
Hey, you see?
I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. I am.
Go find Garrett. We gotta go find my brother. His name's Garrett. But we don't know where he is. That's MJ. That's MJ. He knows where Garrett is. Oh, Garrett, say hi to the vlog, bro. Bye.
Welcome to Live PD. Come to you from downtown Las Vegas. This
Wade, we walked all of this.
It's W.O.E Farms PD.
W.O.E Farms PD.
Goat Patrol.
Hey, Wade.
Hey, Wade. Well, I think Wade's missing the goats. He's ready to go back to NC.
Yeah, this is we've got a couple hours left here in Vegas. It's been an amazing trip.
Yep. Well, we're ready to get back home. It's a good place to visit, but well, we miss our extreme heat and bugs and gnats. We miss it so much.
It's been amazing. The weather's been like 110 all week.
It's 9:30 in the morning. It's 96 degrees here.
But we haven't sweated one time.
I have not sweated, not one time.
And we have not had to deal with the bugs. And that's been amazing.
Yeah. And they got their own bug spray here. You can smell it when you walk down the street. It almost smells like cannabis.
It's bad here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
It's legal here, and that's all you smell. We smelled it in a hotel room last night. We went and got bags of chips and everything. We were hungry.
Stop it. It's actually really pretty here, especially at night.
Yeah, at night it takes on a whole new, different look.
Yeah. Wade, what was your favorite part?
I think either the dancing water or that Japanese buffet.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I think the Japanese buffet was
the sushi.
The sushi
carousel.
Yes. So we sat down at a restaurant and they brought all the sushi. Like
they didn't bring.
Well, they didn't bring. It was
It's a rotating line that just brings all kinds of sushi. A conveyor belt that brings sushi around to your table. You can pick it off.
Oh, it was so yummy. Our aunt and uncle took us there, and it was so yummy.
It's a revolving sushi bar.
And then we stayed at the New York hotel, and we got some pretty awesome New York pizza too.
Oh, yeah.
That was really good.
New York style. We missed that New York style pizza.
Yeah, that was super yummy.
I love that grease. It's so good. And my favorite, finally went to my first In-N-Out burger.
Yes.
And I'll give it a rating. The burger was really good.
The burger was really good.
The fries, they were okay. They weren't that great.
The fries were cooked in like a sunflower
seed oil.
Yeah, and we're used to peanut. And it almost tasted like the fries weren't cooked all the way, but they were. So it was just different.
It was decent.
But the burger
was so good.
Really, really good.
I love that fry sauce they put on the burger.
Yeah, the fry sauce was really good.
So knock that off the bucket list.
Yep. And then here's where we stayed at. Let's see, all the trees are covering it now. This is where we stayed at the New York hotel. That was pretty nice. They had a good arcade in there for Wade to go and play at, and that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So, and then right across the street was what was it called? What is this one? The Luxor? I forget all the names. Wait, do you remember? This hotel right
Excalibur.
here. Excalibur. Yeah.
And we walked over here, we were over here, then down here is Mandalay Bay.
Yep. Some pretty awesome hotels.
The Blue Man Group plays here.
Yeah, all the shows were canceled. When I came here about 5 years ago, we saw the Blue Man Group, and it is one of the best kid-friendly shows that you can go and see. It had us laughing the whole entire time. So if you're ever in Vegas, I definitely recommend going and seeing it. Had it been playing, we would have went. Yeah.
It's kind of bummer everything closed, but it was kind of nice. We almost like having the theme park to yourself.
Yeah.
Not a big crowd everywhere, so we got to experience Vegas without all the mad rush of people.
Yeah.
So it was actually kind of nice.
It was nice. not so much traffic either.
We didn't spend as much money either because we didn't do
Go
the shows
see
and stuff like that.
things,
So
yeah.
the most money we spent was at Starbucks.
I know. We did a lot of Starbucks. We don't drink coffee, but we like their breakfast sandwiches and stuff.
And the orange juice is $5 a bottle.
Yeah, so it was expensive, but this isn't something that we do all the time. So,
So the most expensive thing we did at Las Vegas was Starbucks.
that's pretty sad.
No, it was fun though.
It was. We got to go have a Slurpee yesterday as well. Got to put flowers on my grandparents' graves, my aunts, and that was pretty special to be able to do that.
Get to ride through their old neighborhood.
Yep. Yeah, I did. All right, here's some more of the hotels. This is the Luxor. That one's pretty cool. See it, Wade?
And the Mandalay Bay.
Yep.
Something very authentic up here is called McDonald's.
Yeah, we went on
Never seen one of those.
Fremont Street and we actually just ate at McDonald's. Of all the places that we could have chose, that's where we decided to eat. Wade, what did you say? You've always wanted to what?
Oh, eat McDonald's at Las Vegas.
Yeah.
We ate it at New York. Now we ate it at Las Vegas.
Yep.
Where else can we go?
We went to Minneapolis.
Alright.
Sweet home Carolina.
Signing off from Las Vegas,
Coming to you live from
Nevada.
Las Vegas.
W.O.E Farms. Heading back to North Carolina.
Yeah, back to our goats and chickens. And they had a hurricane
Oh yeah.
while we were gone, so hopefully with no damage.
Yeah, thankfully we have cameras, so we've been able to check on the house and the goats and stuff. So that's been a real blessing to have that to ease our mind. And so signing off. We will see you back in North Carolina.
Adios.
Bye.
Amigos.
Say bye.